In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up Invoice Ninja. Keeping a reliable backup of your billing data protects your business from accidental deletions, software issues, or server problems, and it takes just a few minutes when you know where to click. Start by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to your Invoice Ninja login page. Sign in as you normally would. It's best to do this on a trusted network and make sure you let the page fully load so all menus appear correctly. Once you're in your dashboard, head to the Settings area. You'll usually find it in the left sidebar or the main menu. Settings is where Invoice Ninja groups all the administrative controls, including the tools needed to export a safe copy of your data. Inside Settings, look for the Backup and Restore section. This is the dedicated place for exporting your information and, if ever needed, bringing a backup back in. We're focusing on creating a backup, so stay on the export side of the page, click Export. Invoice Ninja will prepare a portable file that contains your company records, clients, invoices, quotes, products, and related settings, depending on your version and configuration. This process may take a moment if you have a lot of data, so be patient and avoid refreshing the page. When the export finishes, click Download or Export to save the file to your computer. If you're prompted to choose a location, pick a dedicated folder you use for backups. A helpful habit is to include the date in the file name, so you can quickly tell backups apart later. After saving, confirm the file appears where you expect and that the download completed successfully. Now, store the backup securely. Don't leave it on your desktop or in a public folder. Use an encrypted external drive or a private secured cloud storage location, and keep at least one copy separate from the computer you use every day. This reduces the risk of losing both your working data and your backup at the same time. If you're a self-hosted user, go a step further by regularly backing up your server files and your database. You'll want copies of your application files, configuration, and the database that holds your records. Keep these backups in a safe place alongside your exported file and maintain at least one off-server copy for disaster recovery. Finally, make backups a routine. Choose a schedule that fits your activity, weekly, monthly, or before major changes, and keep multiple recent versions so you can roll back to a clean point if needed. Consistency is what turns a one-time export into real data protection.